What up, guys? The Crypto Homie back at you with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about Grayscale Trust. Make sure you stick to the end to see what's happening with Algo. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So let's dive right into it. So now you're able to buy a total of 6 publicly traded investment products from Grayscale. The average person has more options to altcoin exposure through their IRA or 401k. And we can see this through this article right here that was titled Grayscale Investments Announces Approval of Public Quotations for Eligible Shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust and Grayscale Litecoin Trust. So July 20th, this article was posted, and it's basically just saying that Grayscale is now allowed to offer their Bitcoin Cash Trust and Grayscale Litecoin Trust to the average person. This is some great exposure to some more altcoins, because I'm not sure if you guys have seen their Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, which holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, has been doing very well recently. And going over to Grayscale's Twitter, this is just a chart that summarizes all the assets under management. They abbreviate that with AMU, which is right here. And Grayscale announced on August 19th, they have a total of $6 billion assets under management. So they just keep growing, and now you're able to buy the Litecoin Trust and the Bcash Trust. So that's more to go. Eventually, I assume they're trying to get all their trust available to the average person, so then more people can buy it up. So it looks like we have to look forward to Stellar, XRP, Zcash, and then Horizon Trust to eventually become available to the average person. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a Chainlink in there. So we'll see if they make any new trusts. And something else that Grayscale is doing that's it's pretty cool is they're making resources for financial advisors. Because if you've ever gone to a financial advisor, most of them are not talking about Bitcoin. They're probably advising not to. So they have this toolkit that you can download to advise your clients. And in the toolkit, they have the Bitcoin investment thesis, qualities of Bitcoin, portfolio simulations with and without digital currencies, the growing mainstream acceptance for blockchain and Bitcoin, a snapshot of the average US Bitcoin investor, millennial appeal and the next generations of investors, investing in Bitcoin, and then FAQs. So I think this is great. I'm actually going to download this because just to see what they say. Because if you think about it, the next generation of investors aren't going to be buying gold, probably aren't going to buy silver. The biggest thing is going to be digital currencies, because they grow up with it in video games, and just it's in their day-to-day life already. So Bitcoin or another crypto, just that stuff makes sense to them. Now, older people, it might not make as much sense, but some of them are turning around as well. So there's that, guys, and let's go into Algo. We're going to first check the charts. So as you guys can see, Algo's at 63 cents right now, and compared to the last 2 days, it's up from a low of 50 cents to 63 cents. That's a nice move right there. Let's go check on CoinMarketCap. So in the last 24 hours, it says it's up 16%. So it looks like it's actually up in the last 48 hours about a little over 20%. So that's some nice moves. So with the whole market down, I mean, you have OMG that's up, you have Algo that's up, a few other ones that are up, but not too many. Just want to look a little further into this. We see the market cap is just under $500 million, with a total supply of 3.3 billion and some change, and a circulating supply of 771 million and some change. So this, their total supply is not out yet. So that's something to keep in mind. Let's go down to the all-time high. The all-time high is $3.28 in June 21st, 2019. So that's interesting. That was like a late bloomer. And the 52-week high is actually 76 cents and the low is 10 cents. So keep that in mind. The high for the last 52 weeks was 76 cents, and we're currently at 64 cents. So we're heading to those to the yearly all-time high very soon. And just a brief overcap of what Bitcoin's doing. As you can see with the trend line, this ascending triangle, we did come down, the wick touched the bottom, and we bounced up, And then now we don't have much time to see what happens here. We like, in order to keep going up, we got to break this and form this as support. So, and the next stop, like after that, I would say is about 14K. So let's see what Bitcoin can do today, tomorrow, and the next day. Alrighty, guys, as always, this is not financial advice. This is for pure entertainment. Invest at your own risk. And I would like to thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button if you liked it, and subscribe for more content. Crypto Homie signing out.